So a new food truck opened up nearby the cabin. It's called Smoky Mountain Hot Dogs. And so this one, so my son got the chili, got the cheese. There's also ketchup here. Oh, there it is. There's a little bit of ketchup too. For those of you down in the comments, you can talk about whether ketchup on a hot dog or not. Let's give their Smoky Mountain Dog a try. That's a good flavored hot dog. The chili, maybe it's the ketchup. It's a little sweet. Cheese, nice amount of cheese on there to go with a good chili flavor. Definitely, if you like a chili dog, this is a chili dog that I could really get into. It's a really nice flavor, a really good spot, really good hit the spot. All right. And the other thing my son decided to do was to make me one with everything. So this has pickle relish, sauerkraut, chili, sheen. There's sauerkraut. What was another thing? Coleslaw. There's mustard and mayo in here too? Yeah. And mustard and mayonnaise. Is that it?
No ketchup.
What? And ketchup.
And she's saying 2 years. No one ever ordered this with the eye.
Nobody's ever had one with everything. Does it cost a different price? No. All the toppings are for free, so you can always go one with everything. Let's give this monstrosity a try. You know what? I really could taste everything. You got the sauerkraut, nice little tang from that sauerkraut. You know how the pickling flavor. You got the sweetness from the sweet pickles. A little bit more tang from the mustard. A little bit of chili is in there. You can taste it. It's all on top of the hot dog. It's a flavor combination that works, believe it or not. So you can always make yourself one with everything.